restoration. Here we have an Austin Healey 104 steering wheel, probably dates from the early 1950s. You can see quite perished, rusty metal showing through cracks here. We're going to remove all the plastic, check the welds here at the ends of the spokes, strip the boss, recast the rim, recoat the spokes. That's an Austin Healey 104. Pulled from steering wheel restoration. Here we have an Austin Healey steering wheel. This is an Austin Healey 104, and we've recast the rim, welded the spokes here and recoated the boss. That's an Austin Healey 104, probably dates from the mid-1950s.